if you're looking for brand new construction homes that are actually affordable in Savannah, Georgia, this is the perfect video for you, okay? I'm in Port Wentworth, and if you're not familiar, Port Wentworth is part of the same county of Savannah, okay? Brand new construction homes by DR Horton. This is one of the nicest communities that we have, not only in the area, but it's also one of the most popular communities in the whole county. Now for context, DR Horton is offering 22 different floor plans. They go from single story to 2 stories, from 2 bedrooms to 5 bedrooms. Now if you're wondering if you can customize those floor plans, the answer is no. DR Horton is known for being an affordable new construction builder, okay? So they're not gonna give you anything extravagant or anything fancy, okay? This is the target audience. So if you're looking for something fancy, I would suggest you to take a look at some of the other videos that I have of new constructions, because DR Horton is exclusively targeting the people who are looking for affordable new construction homes. All right, so I wanted to show you the amenity center. This right here is where the gym is. You also have access to the pool, and the playground is right there on that side. Now on this other side, there is a pickleball court that they just put brand new. And if you notice, right here it is the school. Okay, now the HOA is $1,584 for the whole year. Now, obviously you get access to all of this, but they also have the lake, which I always see people fishing there. You have a lot of trails, so if you want to go jogging or walking your dog. They also have a dog park. They have an open field where people go and play soccer with their kids. They have multiple playgrounds, just like the one you saw right there, and many other things. Now, let me tell you a little bit about Port Wentworth, okay? In case you're wondering, is it popular? Do people like it? How is it? How does it feel? Well, Port Wentworth is the number 4 in the entire Savannah metro area. So if you calculate the top 5, number 1 is Richmond Hill, then you got Pooler, then you have South Savannah, and then Port Wentworth, and then after Port Wentworth, you have Galen. Okay, so yes, Port Wentworth is a very popular area. Now, do I love it completely? The answer is no, obviously. I prefer to live either in Pooler or maybe Richmond Hill compared to Port Wentworth, and I'm gonna tell you why in a second. Now, I'm about to pull up my drone and pull up my GoPro camera to show you the neighborhood, to show you the floor plans, and then also I'm gonna break down some numbers so you know how much money you are expected to pay a month if you were to get one of these houses. Well, guys, I'm about to show you different model homes, all right? Just getting out of one of them. I'm about to show you this one. That's called the Galen floor plan, all right? And we have this other one that is the Robbie floor plan right there. So here it is, entrance, formal, either formal dining, office space, or whatever you want to use it as here. All right, you have bathroom. I hate seeing the toilet sit like that, but I gotta hurry up because we don't have all day here. Okay, kitchen, obviously, granite countertops, you can see. All right, pretty big pantry. Yep. Then on this side, we have the breakfast place. What do we have here? Storage. Okay. Living room space, very beautiful. And then you have the stairs right here on this side. All right. And here's how it looks like. You have a few bedrooms on that side, another one on this side. And then let's start with this one. Normal size bedroom, all right. You have the laundry space right there, okay. This is the master bedroom. Yep. I got a closet, okay. And then the bathroom. Beautiful. All right, that's what we got right there. Now going to the other side, let's see what we have. Another bedroom. Very unique set right there. Here's the other one. Okay. In case you guys are wondering the closet size, there you have it. Closet side. All right, let me go this way. So here's the main bathroom with double vanities. And there you have it. Real quick, if you're from out of the state of Georgia and you're planning on moving right here, this is what I do. So call me, text me, any questions that you have, no commitment whatsoever. But just do that. Just send me a text message or call me. Let me know your situation. We can put a plan in place and take it from there. Now they look fairly similar, but I think the easiest way to know which one is which, if you notice the windows on the top, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. This one has 3, and the front porch is a lot bigger on this one compared to this one, okay? You have a door and a window, and here you just have a door. Also, another thing you need to know, so the vinyl siding, this is vinyl siding, very, very common on any new construction around the area, not only from DR Horton. I would say about 90% of the homes that are being built around the Savannah metro area are done with vinyl siding, okay? Yes, you definitely have a combination of brick and vinyl in a lot of them. Some of them only have the brick on the front, right? Not in this community, but I'm saying like in general, if you start looking on Zillow or any other website that you go to, you're gonna notice some of them have a portion of brick and then vinyl. All right, let's take a look at this one. This one is the Robbie model. All right. Okay, on this one, there's someone working in the office, so I need to be quiet, but let me show it to you. I'm doing a voiceover here. On the left side, dining room space, okay? Then you have the kitchen with an island. A lot of people like the island. You got granite countertops. You have the garage access door on the right side, and then the pantry right there. All right. On the left side, you have a full bedroom that they're using as an office, and then a full bathroom right here, and then the living room space. Obviously, you need a living room space. And also there's some storage closet. Let me show you that in a second. So let's go here and see the storage closet on the right side. Okay, and then now let's go upstairs to show you the master bedroom and everything else. All right, so here's a little bit of a loft space area that you can use for whatever, some couches or anything like that. And then on the right side is the master bedroom. Okay, it's all carpet on the second floor. So here's the master bedroom. Big closet, of course. All right, and then the bathroom is all the way right here. One of the lights is out, so it looks a little bit dark, and they're working on this. All right, but yeah, that's the master bedroom, double vanity, and the shower and all of that good stuff. Now here is the rest of the house. Let me show you where the laundry is, which is right here on the right side. You have another storage right there, obviously on the left. Okay, and now let's see the bedrooms. All right, you have one bedroom right here, normal size closet, right? They don't have like this massive walk-in closet that a lot of people want, but it is useful. Okay, all right, so we're almost done. To the right side of this bedroom is the bathroom, and that's it with this one. So now that you're done taking a look at some of these floor plans, let me give you a breakdown of the mortgage payment using FHA loan, VA loan, and conventional loan. All right, so take a screenshot or a picture because I'm going to do this quickly. Okay, so here on the screen you're looking at a VA loan, 0% down payment. All right, take a picture. So now FHA loan, same thing. Take a picture. If you're using FHA loan, you can do 3.5% down payment, and that is how much you would end up paying every single month. Now, another type of loan is the conventional loan, right? On this type of loan, by the way, you can do 3%, you can do 10%, 5%, or 20%. It doesn't matter. But I'll give you an example using 10% down. Check this out. Here's how it looks like. 10% down payment, and that right there is how much would be the mortgage payment. Okay, now 20% down payment, which is a lot higher, of course, it's double the amount, but that right here, it is how much you would be paying every single month. So I hope that's helpful. Let me show you now things that are nearby the community. Check this out. Look guys, this is Highway 21, and so this is near the Port of Savannah, right? Port Wentworth. You're gonna notice quite a bit of semi-traffic. I'm recording this at 9:37 in the morning, and yeah, you're gonna notice this is like a normal day. Obviously the traffic is still flowing normal. Now if you come here at about 4 p.m., it's gonna be a little bit of a nightmare. Okay, but that's how it is in most of the areas of Savannah anyways. All right, just so you know, this is Highway 21. So let's get back to it. All right, so I'm here outside of the Rice Hub area. That's Highway 21 right here, right? You got a Chevron gas station There is a computer repair place right there, pet grooming, and then the police department is right there. Now here behind me, you're gonna notice Moe's Southwest Grill. Then you have another place here that's called Peck's Party Emporium. I have no idea what the hell that is, so sorry about that. What is this? Here you got a barber shop for all of you guys who are in need of a haircut, and then a nail salon right here. This is right next to Rice Hub. Not even maybe like a 1-minute drive or so. Now on this other side, by the way, I don't even have my seat belt, but I'm about to show you another place. Let me just get out of the car real quick. Now on this side you have a storage place that is brand new, looks beautiful. Rice Hub is right behind those trees, and then on this side you have another like another store, liquor store. You have a Foot Mart right there. There's a Dollar General, and then some apartments right there. Okay, that right there is Highway 21, where you see the cars passing by. Well, this one is Rice Creek School. It has a rating of 5 out of 10 according to schools.org. Okay, this is about 2 minutes away from the community. You got Highway 21 right there on the background, and this right here is the Publix supermarket. Okay, so here we are. We have another barber shop right there. Then you have a Japanese cuisine restaurant. You have a GNC, which is a supplement store. You have, of course, the supermarket, which is Publix. Now, if you notice, on the other side of the Publix is a car wash, and then you have an oil change place right there. Now, on this side, you also have a nail salon, you have a pizza place, a physical therapy place right there, and the other one is just another liquor store right there. All right, well, that's it for this one. You know what to do. If I can help, send me a text message, call me, or email me. Doesn't matter, right? See you guys next time.